Greetings all, and the wait is finally over. The IKEA Megastore, a fantastic 25,000 square meter facility here at the heart of the Oman Avenues Mall, is finally open. With over 9,000 materials to choose from across various avenues and a 400-seater restaurant, we can't wait to check it out. The IKEA, ladies and gentlemen. When it comes to contemporary lifestyle and avant-garde designs, nobody does it better than IKEA. And the brand's entrance to the Sultanate opens up so many avenues when it comes to filling a very discerning gap in the furnishing sector. As you can see here, there are boards that read, "We can do it all for you." This pretty much showcases the strengths of the service and sales champions here. While they do help you out as a customer, they're also adding a lot to the in-country value by developing very, very strong youth Omani talents. The Sultanate, under the guiding principles of Oman Vision 2040, talks about sustainability. Apart from ICV, customers can help make a difference by choosing to go sustainable. With options such as sustainable cotton and sustainable wood, you can help make a difference too. One of IKEA's strong points is also the restaurant. With an assortment of food and beverages that spans continents, we're going to have to check out individually what's up. A wide array of selection coupled with quality and versatility, IKEA seems to tick all the boxes and much more. The atmosphere here must be felt to be believed. To learn more, visit the IKEA Megastore at Oman Avenues Mall. This is Alvin Thomas and Rajesh Rajan signing off.